Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, yo, we're reporting once again from our weekly spot. We are at CVS and we're about to get into this week's all digital deal. So this is for my peoples who don't roll with the paper coupons. If you want to keep it all digital, then I'm about to get into some deals that are just for you. So we're not going to waste any time. We're going to jump right in with a money maker on the Revlon Cosmetics. So the Revlon Cosmetics are spend 12, get back $4 in extra bucks this week. And if you have not already done this deal on the color pencil on Ibotta, then I have a really nice deal for you. So if you haven't done this deal, and the reason I say that is because if you've already done it one time, then this deal does not reset. But we have a $5 rebate for this color stay pencil. So these are actually $11.99 each. So they're $11.99 with the 98% rule. That's going to be close enough for us to get back that $4 extra buck. I have a $4 Revlon CVS coupon and a $3 Revlon CVS coupon. That's going to leave me to pay just $4.99 at the register for this item, but then I am going to get back $4 in extra bucks, and I'm going to submit back to Ibotta for $5 in cash back. So this baby is not only going to be free, but it is going to be a $4 cash moneymaker. The next deal we're going to grab is this deal on the Degree deodorant. So these are buy two, get back a $2 extra buck this week, and they are $6.79. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pick up two of these today for $6.79. I'm going to get one of the men's and I'm also going to get one of the women's. Let me show you my breakdown. So both of these deodorants are going to total us up to $10.18. I do not have any manufacturer coupons, but I do have two CVS coupons. I have a $2 off and we also have a $3 off of 10 that we're going to be using. So that's going to bring my total down to pay to $5.18. Then I'm going to get back a $2 extra buck, making it only $3.18 for both of these, or just $1.59 each. The next thing I'm gonna grab is a couple of these Total Home pocket tissues. So these are 57 cents each, or three for $1.50. I have a $1 CVS coupon for Total Home paper products that will work on this, making these only 7 cents each when I pick up two. All right, you guys, so now let's talk about this hair appliance deal. So select hair appliances this week are buy one, get back a $10 extra buck. And I actually decided to do this deal online as a pickup order versus buying it in store, because I noticed that the in-store pricing was more expensive than the online pricing, and I wanted to use a percentage off coupon. I decided to get a flat iron that was $26.79. This item was $27.79, I believe, in my store, so it was $1 cheaper online. Another reason that I wanted to get this product online is because I was going to use a 40% off coupon that I got in my email. So if you ever get one of those percentage off coupons, this is an idea for how you can use those types of coupons. So here's the kicker. In store, when you are using a percentage off coupon, you don't want to pay with extra bucks, because you are going to get the percentage off of the amount that's remaining after your extra bucks are applied. But online, it does not work that way. So I applied that 40% off coupon first, and then I was still able to go back in and apply my extra bucks, and it did not reduce down that $10.72 amount. So I was able to use $13 in extra bucks for this purchase as well. My subtotal was $16.07 after my 40% off coupon, and then I will be getting back $10 in extra bucks after I go and pick up my item from the store. So that makes my final cost for this flat iron only $6.07. And you can definitely grab a cheaper item in this deal, or add in some additional coupons if you want to, because the flat irons and all of the hair appliances will count towards that 15 off of 60 coupon that we have this week. But I just decided to do this deal easy peasy this way, and $6 is not bad at all for a $27 flat iron. Next that we're grabbing is this deal on the CoverGirl. So these are buy two, get back $6 in extra bucks this week. So we're gonna do a nice all digital moneymaker on these. My store does not have the little cheapy pencils that are normally like $6.49, $6.59 down there. So I'm gonna grab one of these that are $6.99 instead. We're gonna be using the $3 digital coupon, and we also have a $4 CVS coupon. To complete my CoverGirl deal, I'm gonna grab one of these concealers for $7.99. So we have a $4 digital coupon that we are gonna use on this. So these two items are going to total me up to $14.98. I'm going to be using a $4 digital coupon for the concealer and a $3 digital coupon for the eye product. We're also going to use our $4 CRT that everyone should be getting this week. So that's going to leave us to pay $3.98 and then get back a $6 extra buck, making both of these a $2 moneymaker. Now, if you have like a 3 off of 15 cosmetic CRT or something like that, add that into the mix because that will make this a bigger moneymaker for you. The next digital deal we're grabbing is this deal on the Colgate, and this should be a small moneymaker for us. So we're gonna pick up 2 of these for $3.99. We're gonna be using the $2 digital coupon on one, and then we're also gonna be submitting back to the coupons app for $2 for the one that we're not using a coupon on. So let me show you how it works out. So both of these are gonna total us up to $7.98. We are going to be using that $2 coupon to leave us to pay $5.98 at the register. We're going to pay that $5.98 and then we're going to get back a $5 extra buck, and then we're going to submit to the coupons app for $2 in cash back. So that's going to make this not only free, but a $1 moneymaker. All right, you guys, so the next deal up on my list is the deal on the All in the Snuggle again. So we're gonna be doing this deal that is spend 20, get back $5 in extra bucks, and this is unadvertised. As far as digital coupons, we're gonna be using a $1.25 digital coupon for one of the Snuggle. I also am going to be submitting back to the coupons app for $1.25 for one of these as well. I'm gonna pick up a total of 5 products that are included in this deal. All right, you guys, so the total for all 5 of these products equals up to $19.95. If you have any CVS coupons for these products, like $1 off of 2 on the All, or $1 off of 1 on the All, or even $1.50 off of the Snuggle, add those into the mix because that will make this deal a little bit cheaper for you. I'm not going to be factoring in any of those coupons, but I am going to be using the $1.25 coupon that we have for one of the Snuggle. So after that, I would pay $18.70 at the register, then I would get back a $5 extra buck. Then I'm also going to submit back to the coupons app for another $1.25. So that's going to make my final cost $12.45 for all 5 items, which is a little bit on the high side. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding these in with a threshold coupon, like an 8 off of 40 or a 6 off of 30 or a 10 off of 70 to reduce that cost down. And these are going to come out almost free. Just watch how it works in the end. So now it's time to put all of these deals together, and I'm going to show you how we're going to work it out to get these for almost free. So this is about $42.61 worth of product when we combine all of these deals together. We got the Colgate, we got the CoverGirl, and then we have our All and our Snuggle. So I'm going to be able to use my 8 off of 40 coupon. So with that 8 off of 40 and then all of the coupons that we are going to be using, the $1.25 for the Snuggle, the 2 $4 coupons for the CoverGirl, and the $3 digital for the CoverGirl, and the $2 for the Colgate, I'm going to pay roughly around $20 at the register. But then I am going to get back $5 for the Colgate, $5 for the All and Snuggle, and I'm going to get back $6 for the CoverGirl. So that's already going to be about $16 of my $20, leaving me down to only a $4 cost. But then we're going to submit back to the coupons app for $3.25. So once we get that $3.25 back, that's going to cover most of that $4 cost that we had, making this for about $1. All of these products are going to be just around $1 out of pocket. I want to take a quick pause right here to answer a question I get a lot too about these threshold CRTs. So first thing that I get a lot is, How am I supposed to do the deal if I don't get threshold coupons? So with this deal, I am not using other CVS coupons that you may have on your account. So you may have a CRT for the all, or you may have a CRT for the snuggle, and CRT means CVS coupon. You may have a 2 off of 5 for the Colgate. You may have a cosmetic CRT that you can add in with the CoverGirl deal. I'm not using any of those. I am just using the threshold coupon. So if you have different CVS coupons, you want to add those in instead of the one coupon that I am using, and you may come out with a similar outcome. Another option is considering to sign up for the CVS Care Pass. So the CVS Care Pass is either $4 or $5 a month, depending on which plan you sign up for, and you get a $10 extra buck every single month. So if you were to sign up for the CVS Care Pass, you get the first month for free. So the first month is a free $10, and then you would pay $4 or $5 every month thereafter, and you would get $10 in return. So you're making $5 or profiting $6 depending on your plan. So that's another way to close the gap if you don't have threshold coupons. Or you can just pay $8 for this haul, which I still think is amazing. $8 for everything that we have. I think that's a pretty good deal. But I just wanted to give you some different perspectives when it comes to doing transactions like this. I just did 2 transactions really quick at self-checkout, so no checkout footage today. But here is my first transaction. I did the Degree deodorant and the Revlon pencil by itself. All of my coupons came off successfully. I used $10 in extra bucks, and then I got back $6 in extra bucks. And I also got back $5 from Ibotta. So that transaction was free plus an 83-cent moneymaker. I paid out $10.17 and then I got back $11. And then in my second transaction, here is everything that we got. That worked out beautifully as well. I paid out $20.80, $20 in extra bucks, and then 80 cents was my remaining balance. And then I did get back a total of $16 in extra bucks, and I also got another 8 off of 40. And I submitted over to the coupons app for $3.25. So our first transaction was an 83-cent moneymaker, and the second transaction ended up costing us $1.55. So that made our final cost today only 72 cents for everything that we picked up in store. I'm gonna call that free 99 because I can scan in these receipts to the rebate apps and get back that 70 cents pretty easy. So let me know if you have any questions about today's deal. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so much for watching today's video, and as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.